Welcome to the world where adrenaline runs the show and danger is a constant companion. This is the realm of extreme sports. Today I'm going to show you a list of the 5 extreme adrenaline sports. These aren't just sports, they're a test of courage, a challenge of limits, a dance with destiny. The rush, the thrill, the sheer joy of living on the edge, it's all here. But so is the risk, the danger, and the potential for everything to go sideways in a split second. So are you ready for the ride of your life? Let's get started. Starting off our countdown at number 5, Freestyle Motocross. Not your everyday bike ride. This high adrenaline sport takes the daredevil attitude to a whole new level. Imagine launching off a ramp, soaring through the air, performing heart-stopping tricks, all while revving a 250-pound bike beneath you. Freestyle Motocross, or FMX as it's commonly known, is not just about speed and thrill. It's a sport that demands precision, agility, and above all, guts. Riders must possess unparalleled hand-eye coordination and a fearlessness that defies gravity. But with great thrill comes great risk. The hazards of FMX are countless. From high-altitude falls to hard landings, every jump carries the potential for disaster. Yet it's this very danger that makes FMX so exhilarating, so captivating. The world of freestyle motocross is a thrilling spectacle of man, machine, and audacity. Now that's one way to get your heart racing, but we're only getting started. Coming in at number 4, extreme kayak rafting. A wild ride on some of the world's most treacherous waters. Imagine this, you're alone, pitted against nature's raw power. Only your skills and instincts to guide you. That's the heart-stopping thrill of kayak rafting, a sport that demands courage, quick thinking, and a deep respect for the untamed forces of water. Navigating through tumultuous rapids, dodging jagged rocks, and plunging down waterfalls, it's a test of endurance and nerve. Every second, every paddle stroke matters. One wrong move, and you're at the mercy of the relentless current. But it's not just about survival. It's about the exhilaration, the adrenaline rush, the feeling of conquering the impossible, and the skills required: incredible physical strength, flawless technique, and an unshakable will. This isn't a sport for the faint-hearted. It's a wild, wet, and intense ride. A wild ride, but brace yourselves, the stakes get even higher. Scaling to new heights at number 3, mountain high climbing. Every step is a test of endurance and courage. It's not just a sport, it's a battle against nature and oneself. With the risk of avalanches, falling rocks, and severe weather, it's a challenge that demands physical strength, mental toughness, and technical expertise. Climbers are continuously pushing their limits, scaling the world's highest and most dangerous peaks. But with every new peak conquered, the risk increases. Altitude sickness, frostbite, hypothermia, these are just some of the hazards climbers face in their quest for the summit. Yet the allure of mountain high climbing is undeniable. The thrill, the adrenaline, the sense of accomplishment as you stand triumphant at the peak, surveying the world from an elevation few dare to reach. It's a sport that truly tests the human spirit. The thrill of standing at the top is unparalleled, but the journey there is fraught with danger. Now let's ride the wave to our next sport. Riding in at number 2, surfing, where the ocean's fury meets the surfer's daring spirit. Imagine harnessing the power of a skyscraper-sized wall of water, armed only with a surfboard and unyielding courage. That's surfing for you. These brave souls challenge the most colossal waves on the planet, turning the ocean's wrath into an exhilarating ride. But with great thrills come great dangers. The might of these gargantuan waves can be unforgiving, capable of crushing even the most seasoned surfers. A single mistake, a moment's hesitation can lead to disaster. Yet it's this very risk that fuels the adrenaline, the allure of the sport. The ocean roars, the heart races, and for those fleeting moments, the surfer is one with the wave, riding the razor's edge between exhilaration and catastrophe. It's a dance with danger that few dare to attempt and even fewer master. Surfing, where thrill and danger ride the same wave, but nothing compares to our number 1 spot. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. At number 1, base jumping, the ultimate leap of faith. This high adrenaline, high-risk sport is not for the faint-hearted. It's a mad dash against gravity, an audacious dance with danger itself. Base jumping is all about taking that plunge off a towering cliff or skyscraper only to freefall, before deploying a parachute at the last possible moment. This sport, originating from the acronym BASE, which stands for Building, Antenna, Span, and Earth, represents the 4 categories of fixed objects from which one can jump. It's a game of inches and seconds where a minor miscalculation can lead to severe consequences. Yet the unparalleled thrill it offers to its daredevils is what makes it the most dangerous sport. It's a test of courage, a challenge of human limits, a daring defiance of nature's laws. Base jumping, the most dangerous and thrilling sport of them all. But remember, with great thrills come great risks. Extreme sports, a world of high adrenaline, exhilarating experiences, and ever-present danger. It's a realm where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary, where fear turns into thrill, and where every heartbeat is a testament to life's grand adventure. The call to this world is deafening. It's not merely about the rush or the awe-inspiring feats, it's about challenging your limits, pushing the boundaries of what you thought possible, and embracing the uncharted territories of your courage and resilience. But as we step into this world, we must remember, extreme sports are not a reckless pursuit of danger. They're a calculated dance with risk, where safety measures, rigorous training, and responsible participation are as essential as the thrill itself. Whether you're freestyling midair on a motocross bike, navigating treacherous waters in a kayak, scaling towering heights, riding monstrous waves, or soaring through the sky, your safety gear is your lifeline. Your training, your best ally. Dive into the thrill, but always remember, safety first. Because the biggest adventure is living to tell the tale. Stay adventurous and stay tuned.